Hello, it is Christine Michelle, and I am coming to you with another video for AlignedSoul TV. It has been a really fun time thinking of what the next series is going to be, and what I've come up with is something that really resonates with my clients and the members of the society and the collective, and it's all about deciding, right? How do I choose between this and that? How do I select, like, what's the thing that I am meant to do? What path I'm expected to take? Like, what is good for me? And a lot of times we get all balled up in our head and we can't understand what the next step is or what to do. And it's very hard for us to make those choices. So this is going to be a nice short series, probably about 6 videos. And I am going to take you through some ways to choose. So the ways that I'm going to talk about, we're going to talk about muscle testing. I'm going to talk about visualization. We're going to talk about journaling, asking for a sign, and not in the way that you think about asking for a sign. We're going to talk about asking for a sign. And we're also going to talk about listening to your soul and taking the aligned action, listening to your intuition and ways to do that. So I'm really excited about this series. I'm also trying shorter videos. So just remember to subscribe, hit the bell, and we can really dive deeply into each of these topics, and I'll do it in a quick way. So I want to see what you think about it. Put some notes below. Are the 10-minute, 11-minute videos too long? Or are you looking for more 3 to 5-minute videos? And what is your desires for this television show, because this is created for you, looking to just inspire and empower and impact you, and to knowing that you can live your best life now, and to being your best self, and knowing that that's how you live your best life now, by embracing all of your uniqueness and the amazingness. So again, let me go through the 5 ways about making decisions when you're confused. We're going to talk about muscle testing tomorrow. Then we're going to talk about visualizing the scenarios and ways to do that. Journaling, like how to journal this out. Maybe visualization isn't your thing. How do you journal? How do I actually journal? We're going to talk about asking for a sign and the ways that you ask for a sign and how that works. And then we're also going to talk about listening and acting from your soul, tapping into your intuition, trusting your intuition, which is the big thing, and then acting from it. So I'm super excited about this decision series, how to make decisions, how to decide, how to do the things. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Leave some comments below. Hashtag AlignedSoul. Hashtag I want to make a decision. Tell me what decisions you're trying to make. Like this video, share it with a friend, and remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll know when the next video is recorded and uploaded. So I look forward to seeing you in this series. Decide. Bye.